In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to show battery percentage on iPhone 16. Displaying the battery percentage on the iPhone 16 is important for better power management as it allows users to monitor their battery levels precisely and adjust their usage accordingly. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select on battery. On the first option of battery percentage, make sure to turn on this option. Now when enabled, you will see your battery percentage inside your battery icon. This helps in planning for recharges, conserving power through low battery modes and avoiding sudden shutdowns, especially when using energy-intensive apps like games or GPS. That's how easy it is to enable battery percentage on iPhone 16. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.